Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. This is Praveen Dore from Dijs University, and in today's video, we are going to talk about how to make $100 per day with Clickbank using Google Ads. Let's go! Welcome to today's video on how to make $100 per day with Clickbank using Google Ads. So basically in today's video, we are going to talk about how you can make a Google ad and promote a Clickbank product via that particular Google ad. So the steps of marketing is pretty simple. There's only 3 steps that you should keep in mind. First, choosing a proper product within the Clickbank itself. The second one would be setting up an ad within Google Ad, and the third one would be optimizing these ads. So we are going to talk about the first two, where we are going to choose a product, and then we're going to show to you step by step on how you can actually go ahead and set up a Google ad. We are not going to show you step 3 because step 3 requires the ad to at least have run in 3 days, and then we can actually show you on how you can actually optimize that particular ad. We are going to come to that pretty soon in maybe next video, so let's stay tuned for that. So the first thing first, so let's talk about Clickbank. What is actually Clickbank? Clickbank is one of the biggest affiliate marketing network available in the world. Not only an affiliate network, it is also one of the largest sales platform available in the world as well. Why a lot of people actually know about Clickbank and why people respect Clickbank is because Clickbank was established in the year 1998, which simply means that it has been around for almost 22 years. And for a company, especially an affiliate network, to be around for 22 years and still maintain that particular reputation, and that's crazy. I am just 26 years old this year, and imagine Clickbank has been there since I was 4 years old. So that's how great Clickbank is. And another reason why people like Clickbank is for somebody who's just beginning his or her affiliate marketing journey, they will usually face problem when they want to get into an affiliate network, especially a CPA affiliate network, for example, Max Bounty, Gotcha, and all this kind of stuff. So if you want to get access into this kind of affiliate network, they will face some problems. So this would be like a breaking bone for them. So you imagine they're just starting the affiliate journey and they want to go ahead and promote a product, but they can't get access to an affiliate network. This is not actually a problem with the beginners itself, or it's not the problem with the affiliate network as well. It's just how things work. Some affiliate networks, they have this kind of thing that they only want people that can make their money, which makes sense after all, but that's a whole story for a next topic. But why Clickbank stands up and stood up among all this affiliate network is because Clickbank can allow you to register within seconds, and that's why a lot of people like Clickbank. That's why beginners love Clickbank, because it's super novice friendly, and almost 95% of super affiliates these days actually started their affiliate marketing journey with Clickbank. That's how popular Clickbank is. Remember just one important part. Whatever you do when you register into Clickbank, keep in mind not to forget your username. That's very important. So do not forget your username, and if you don't forget your username, that's it, you're good to go. So let's dive into today's video without wasting any time. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log in into Clickbank and get into the Clickbank Marketplace. So we have actually logged in into Clickbank, and this is the Clickbank Marketplace. You can actually see there's a lot of sub niche over here, which you can actually go ahead and choose according to your niche. So this is very important. Choosing a product is one of the most crucial part when it comes to promoting that particular product. You need to choose a product which sells. But not only that, you need to choose a product which does not run away from your niche. So you have to choose a product which does not run away from your niche. So what you will usually do is choose a product via whatever niche you are. For example, you're from e-business marketing, or you're from education, and choose a product somewhere there. Or else you can even go ahead and hit the search button over here, and there will be a lot of products already available. So once you are in the search results section like this, what I will do, the first thing is I will go ahead and sort these results by gravity, not by popularity, by gravity. What gravity simply means is that how many people actually have purchased that product in the last 30 days. You can actually see for this particular product, which has the highest gravity, around 581 people actually purchases this product in the last 30 days. That's a crazy amount. So usually I will not promote a product which has a gravity less than 30. So this is my standard. If you want to have a higher standard like 50, you can actually go ahead and choose. So let's go ahead and choose a product which I feel personally feel very nice, and I've actually seen a product already. So this is the product that I want to choose today: 20-minute affiliate system, which I pretty much think that they have a very nice average sales, they have a very nice initial sales, and they also have a average rebuild total of $67, which is nice, and the gravity is also pretty interesting, 187.73, which I really like this particular offer. So once you have actually choose this offer, the next thing you got to do is you got to go to the offer page as well as the affiliate page. These are the two most important things you need to check out these offers. So let's go to the offer page first. So this is actually the offer page of this particular offer. So everything looks pretty neat. There's just a short video, and there's your name and the opt-in button over here, call to action button. So it's pretty simple. It looks pretty neat, pretty nice. The coloring is very nice and everything. Pretty much I pretty much like this particular offer a lot. So this is the offer page, and this is actually the affiliate page of this particular offer. Why you need to go to the affiliate page? In the affiliate page, there is actually a lot of information available that affiliates can use, and that's why this page is actually made itself. This page is actually made so that affiliate can gather any information that they want regarding the product. And keep in mind, information is wealth, and you need to have as much as possible information that you can actually get regarding the product that you're promoting. So this is where the affiliate page actually comes into the play. So this is actually a very nice pyramid that they have. So the first sales would be $9.95, and then it will actually go to upsell of $97 per month, $397 per month, $797 per month. So they do have a good upsells, and everything looks pretty neat. So there's banners, promotional banners. Usually I don't use the promotional banners from the affiliate page itself. Promotional emails also is not something that I will use, but everything is there. The informations are there, so you can actually use a lot of details from this particular affiliate offer page as well. So let's not waste any time, and we have already choose this offer, right? So let's go to Google and start making our ads. So the first thing that you have to do is go to Google ad itself. So once you have actually go to Google ads, this is how the Google ad page will look like, and there will be a usual pop-up that says that if you do not have any ad running, or you have actually switched off your ads, there will be a pop-up there. I don't know, sometimes it's there, sometimes it's not there. So that's about it, guys. So once you have actually here, you can actually go ahead and start building your campaign. So the first thing you need to do is click on create ad. So once we have actually created ad, what is your main advertising goal? Is to get more website sales or more website signups. So once you have done that, you will actually start creating ads. So what business do you want to advertise? So you can actually go ahead and add a new business with a new website if you want to, but I've already added business, so I'm just going to use this one over here. So where are your customers? You can actually set up where you want your ad to appear. You can actually set up anywhere in the world. For example, you can just set up United States, for example. You can actually go ahead and set up United States. You can set up Italy, for example. You can set up whatever countries that you want, or if you do not set up any countries, what will happen is it will actually go worldwide. So let's just set up Malaysia, my country. So I'm going to set up Malaysia over here, and then I'm going to press next. So the next thing is, what is actually your product? So the product that we are actually talking about is, we are talking about something which e-marketing. So it's going to be e-marketing. So e-marketing, what specific products or services that you e-marketing. So the language is English, so I did not actually put the language. And what specific product or services do you want to promote in this ad? You can actually show them a specific product, or you don't want to show them this product itself, it's okay. So we're just going to show them our product, minute strategy. All right, and then we're gonna press next. So once we have done that, now it's time to create your ad. So a lot of people actually don't know how the ad looks like, so that is why there is an ad section over here where you can actually see how your ad looks like. So in order for you to understand more, you can actually go ahead into Google and see how ads will look like. For example, I've already typed this particular offer that we are promoting, 12-minute affiliate system, and you can actually see this is actually an ad. It's a Google PPC ads, exactly the one that we are creating right now. So this is how the ads will look like. So you can actually copy this type of format and do exactly like how they do it, just improvise a little bit, but this is how an ad will actually look like. So let's go ahead and start doing our ad. So we're gonna paste this over here. So this is usually the first headline, second headline, third headline, so that's why it's like this. So you can actually go ahead and I'm going to show you guys. So it's gonna copy over here, and then you're gonna copy this one over here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cancel this. So this is how it will look like. So we're gonna change a little bit, 20-minute affiliate strategy. So massive bonus, just gonna change a little bit, crazy bonus. Financial freedom, for example, financial freedom. So this is, oops, sorry. So this is how our ad will look like. So you can actually take the description from other ads that you want to as well. So you can actually go ahead and copy the description just like this and just change the description. This is what I will usually do, guys. I just like to copy paste a lot of stuff. So so you can actually, it makes life much more easier if you copy paste. Even though it's, some people might be thinking it's not ethical to do so, but I like that. So it's going to be something like this, which is nice. So it's a fast and easy solution to make money. So fast and easy solution to make money online. So that's about it. So this looks pretty nice, right? So this is how our ad will look like. 12-minute affiliate strategy, crazy bonus, financial freedom. 12-minute affiliate, easy solution to make money, causes affiliate marketing, make money online on online business. So over here is where you can actually go ahead and see where your ad is going to be. That means when you actually do an ad, something like this, and somebody clicks on this, where it will be led to. And usually you can actually change the website URL here if you want to, but usually I just keep it like that. So once you have actually put a website URL that you want to, then you can actually go ahead and click to the next step. So a lot of people actually get stuck over here itself, so they do not know how to create a proper promotional website URL. The only thing that I can actually tell you that is the best way to do it is not to reinvent the wheel, but to ride on the wheel that somebody have already invented. So that's what we were gonna do now. We're gonna go Google. We have already typed in our product and we already found a website which actually does a Google ad exactly like us. What we're gonna do, so you're gonna go ahead and click on this website, and this is how this website looks like. So pretty much this guy actually used a ClickFunnels to make the landing page, so it looks pretty neat. So this is some of the ideas that how you can actually go ahead and say, okay, so now you have actually seen this landing page, then you can actually go ahead and create a landing page which looks like this. What I would highly suggest you to do, especially when you're running an ad in Google PPC, is that whatever you do, make sure there is an email opt-in form. As you can see, this guy actually put an email opt-in form here, is because you want to capture as much as possible emails, and then you want to upsell them a lot of stuff. So that is why we need to have an email opt-in form, especially when you're promoting Clickbank products. So keep in mind, regardless on how you do your landing page, email opt-in form is very, very important to be there. So what I will highly suggest you to do is just see what other people is doing, and if it's working for other people, somebody's already running these ads, so that person is definitely not going to burn his money running an ad which is not working. So if it's working for you, if it's working for them, there's a high probability that it will work for you as well. So all you got to do is just do what they do. So that's what I will say. So once you have done that, you can actually go back to the ad and do the final step of the ad, which is setting up the budget. This is totally depends on how you want to do stuff, and this is where your financial planning comes into the role. Trust me, when you're running a paid ad, one of the most crucial skills that you need to have is financial planning, and this is something that you cannot learn online. This is something that you have to develop yourself. You have to have a proper financial planning. Definitely I can actually go ahead and tell you, hey, for this product you go ahead and put this much budget. For this product, this is the budget that you need for testing. For this product, this is the budget that you need for scaling. But if I said all that, does it really work? No, it will not work, because for me, I have this much money that I can actually go ahead and spend for my ads. So therefore, what happens is I will actually segregate it properly. Okay, so let's say I have $100 to spend for ads. So I will segregate. I want to do $10 for testing. I want to do $10 for optimization, and I want to do $80 for scaling. So this is an example on how I will pre-plan. So you have to split your ad budget into three parts. One, testing phase. Second, optimizing phase. And third is the scaling phase. And scaling phase is where you need a lot of money, so you have to keep this in mind, and you have to do your own financial planning. So if you know your own financial planning, this part over here would be pretty much easy for you. And Google also helps you with this, where they actually put for you a recommended budget that you can actually go ahead and use for this particular ad. So Google also helps you there, but definitely you can actually go ahead and do your own stuff. You can actually go ahead and enter your own budget and put the budget that you want. For example, set a budget and then press the next button. So once you have already pressed the next button here, it means that you have successfully created a Google ad for your Clickbank product, and the Google will take some time to review your ads, and then your ad will be published live, and you will be starting to make money with Google Ads using the Clickbank products. So that's about it in today's video, guys. I think I've covered a lot in today's video. I really hope that today's video was beneficial for you and you managed to learn one or two things from today's video, and the informations that I've actually talked about in today's video, you can actually use that information, because it's actually a step-by-step information, guys. I went through in detail of everything, so you can actually go ahead and use this particular information and start creating your own Google ads to promote your Clickbank product. And thanks again for watching, everybody, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. But before I go,
allow me to introduce the Dijs University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on Clickbank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dijs University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.